Don't you worry, Shaun. Your day's not over.
I'm worried now.
Come on, Shaun. You can do it. He pushed so hard, snot came out. My turn. Way to go, Shaun. You did a good job.
Look at me go.
Okay, guys, we are pulling up to the second job. How'd the first job go, Shaun?
It went good. I picked up that one, the new one, all by my lonesome. Because Dad can't lift more than 10 pounds. And I just put it in there. Then tied it all up. Yeah.
It didn't happen. I just watched those guys install it, and we just did the finishing touches. We put a zip tie on the drain line and made sure there was no leaks, things like that. So that one's all done. Right, the next one here, I got to remove a mixing valve from the hot water tank. It's all bunged up, so the upper unit's not getting hot water. So for now, it'll be removed until a new one gets installed. See you inside. Yeah, just make sure that the front door's shut. Okay, guys, here we are. Just gonna set you guys up here. All right, I just have the water off. What we're gonna need to do is cut it here. What we have to do is we have to get this line to here. Okay? So we're gonna need a piece of pipe, probably 6 inches long. So I'm gonna just right about there. It's gonna be easier than I thought. So water's off. I'd like to drain some of this just to take the pressure off. Put the bucket over here. All right, so this is the mixing valve that having an issue. So I'm going to cut it here, uncut it here. I got this extra piece of pipe. Shaun has it. We're just going to coupling, put it in. Should be good to go. I'm going to have to also take out this bypass line. So we'll see how that goes. When I'm going to cut this, but then you're going to have to get the bucket under this because it's going to leak.
Down?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, obviously.
Let me cut it and then. Is it? Oh, good. Okay. So then it's probably because it's attached. So we're gonna have to cut this, 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 and this. There's the cover. Okay, so coupling. Need 2 couplings, and hurry up.
3 couplings.
Put 2 rings on here.
2 rings. Oh, like these?
Yeah, put 2 of them on. Then have 2 more ready.
I got 2 rings ready.
Here. This goes here. This goes here. I need another coupling. This goes here.
Straight coupling.
Ooh, look at that.
Goes there.
Okay, I'm gonna have to put a 90. This goes there, that goes there, this goes here. I'm gonna put this right about here. I need a 90. Like that. Piece of pipe. I need another 90.
90.
Ring.
And then you need 2 more rings for that guy, right?
2 more rings.
Got 2 rings?
And I need a coupling and 2 rings for that. Oh. And there you go.
I can attach them. Like that.
This. That's it. So now that's all done. I'm going to crimp all this and we should be done. Should have brought a rag in. I don't know if I can do this part.
Okay.
I will try. I'll show you one. See how there's about, right about there, 1/4 inch?
Yeah.
Squeeze. Until it locks it. I'll do another one just to show you. See how that's about 1/4 inch right there?
Yeah.
This is a very important part. See, this is what I worry about. Okay. You're going to get on. Squeeze the hell out of it. And when it closes, put it back on. I just like to give her the gusto. Push hard, hard, hard. Yeah, like that.
Right there?
Yeah, right there. Yeah. This one, it might be easier, I don't know, like that or up the top. What do you do?
I'll try.
Just make sure you have your proper spacing.
Is that good right there?
Does it look like the others?
Yeah.
Just like that.
Oh.
Come on, Shaun, you can do it. There it is. Top one? You got it. Oh, we didn't touch that. Yeah, that one.
Just this one?
That one. That one shouldn't be too difficult.
We would say, chat, that's a good space right there.
Yeah, right there.
Well, snot came out. Good thing you weren't from my face, eh?
He pushed so hard, snot came out.
True story.
Nope, down. Yep.
Good there?
Yep. There you go.
Swap, yeah.
Can you just see if she has like paper towel on the counter? It's either that we got to get a rag from the truck if that's the case. Alright guys, so mixing valve's out. I put in this bypass for situations like this. When if a hot water tank goes down, we can still supply the house with hot water, both units. I just bypassed that and then everybody had hot water. it's now turned off, so this tank is feeding up downstairs and this tank's feeding upstairs. It's shut off, so it's using its own hot water. It's just a convenience thing. Okay, so we cut that. Water's in, water's out. Shut off's good. I'm just going to turn the water on, check for leaks. Can I hold that? I'll just clean this stuff up. So it wasn't as hard as we thought, eh, Shaun?
No, we just cut it. Put a new tube.
We went to Depot and we got these fittings. And
look at them. They're all that big right there.
I couldn't believe the cost of 3/4 fittings. How much was a tub of them? Like, I was going to get some for my stock while I'm doing that, so I didn't.
$5 for one of these guys.
The water's on. Let's see if Shaun did a good job.
Let's hope.
No, see? Feel hot water. If I get time tonight, I'm going to save this mixing valve and maybe I'll take it apart and I'll show you guys what's involved with that. If you don't know, but there's a couple screens on each side. Let me see. If you took this and this off, there's a washer, but the washer's has a screen on it. It's all one part. And on the hot side, it gets typically it gets clogged up with like calcium and stuff, and that gets inside and just damages the valve, and then you can kind of nurse it along, but it doesn't really work that well. Yeah, for now we just did this. It's off. This is just like a normal house now, but we'll get it back on. Just didn't have one, so all is good. No leaks, Shaun. Good job.
Yeah. This one was the worst one, I think.
All right. That's going to wrap up this one. We have, well, we're going to clean this up, but we have to go to another rental house now. It's not one of my properties, but I do work for the homeowner. There's a couple toilets having an issue, and there's a pipe in the basement or something that's leaking.
Get it.
See you guys there. Peace out. Hey you guys, here we are. We're at the other unit here. Just going inside. We're going to see exactly what's going on.
Hey,
Sir Rozzy,
how you doing?
I still record things.
Yeah, okay.
I just won't get you if you don't want to be.
Alright.
What is the issue?
So you got that front washroom there?
This one?
Yeah, that one there. That one, she's not working right now. So I don't think the water's in there. Let's go on, Shaun.
Well, that's Shaun, sorry.
No worries. nothing too crazy. That pipe in the basement is starting to bit, and call to, you know, get it fixed in case. We don't want to be the ones that cause.
I found a cap.
Yeah, so that's not really been working since probably since we got here. We got 4 bathrooms and there's 2 of us, so we did.
It's working fine.
Is it?
Got a cap in it.
There's a cabin. Okay.
Well-
Now it's stopping the whole process.
Yeah, I'm going to adjust the height of this, but yeah, this cap was underneath your fill valve.
Okay.
I don't know how you do that. I don't know what it's to. It's clean. It's clean water in here. Don't worry
Okay,
about
yeah,
it.
thanks.
I'm just going to adjust this. Can you hold this? I'm going to go down. See if there's enough. We might have to lower the... This is a new toilet I just put in when they moved in. I did the maintenance here for them. It's a PEX line with the funky shut off. Look at this shut off. And look at quality. Should stop right about now. Now. Yeah.
Perfect.
And this tube's in here. This tube needs to be connected with an air gap. It's right there. That's fine. I'm just going to make sure these buttons are hitting right. Oh yeah, this one's way low. See how that does. Better. Yeah. And I'm not here for this issue. So, one down, let's see the other.
Toilet?
Upstairs? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was it. I adjusted the height. It works fine.
Okay, sweet. That was perfect. Yeah, so,
This one?
yeah, this guy here.
It's just not working?
This one flushes, but like once every 10 hours, I don't know.
It's not filling. Try to turn the water, see if it's on.
Turn it
Oh.
to the left. Want to go back?
Yeah, turn the water
Turn
lefty
to the-
loosey
Lefty loose, yeah, turn to the
towards
left.
the wall.
Okay, maxed out there.
Really?
Yeah. I didn't turn it that much at all.
Okay, well that's absolutely clogged. Okay, so for this one we're gonna have to turn the water off and check that shut off. It doesn't look very healthy. Unless that's paint.
Looks like paint.
Yeah. Or maybe it's shut off somewhere else, I don't know. Yeah, there's no water supply to that. Yeah. Okay, we'll come back to this. I want to see this other. Was it just the drain, the leaky hose now?
Come again?
Was it just the leaking pipe now?
Yeah. That one's good too?
No,
No?
that one's messed up.
That one's fucked up? Okay.
I'm just wondering if there's not a shut off or something that you have done. I can't see it because everything else has water. Okay. You're a realtor, aren't you?
I am.
Yeah.
I just actually just about to sell a house today. Just about to close, brother.
Making that money.
Making that money. Yeah, this here. So it looks like it's been, you know, they sprayed foam there. It's just been shooting into here. You can kind of see where the water's been splashing there. I'm not really sure what this pipe. Is this the hot water pipe or a mixture of both?
Where the foam is?
Yeah, where foam is. What is that?
Okay, that's your. This is your gas line, and that's a sleeve to the outside of your house. So wherever this goes, it goes right through your wall.
Okay.
So let's go outside and see. Is this the front of the house? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's your gas meter? Unless that goes up. No, it's got to go out the house. They put that into the form as they pour the foundation so they can run the pipe, right?
Okay.
Yeah, it's here.
Straight down and in.
So this pipe is the pipe you're seeing downstairs.
Okay.
And this goes down and into your house through a sleeve. That sleeve is leaking. So this has to get dug up, parged the house.
Really? Okay.
Or try spray foam it even more. Obviously this is getting rained on and stuff and it's finding its way into that pipe.
Okay. Well, as long as Shadar knows, right? Obviously.
Well, I could tell him, and then
Yeah.
but for sure that upstairs toilet, it's either that valve or it's the shut off. So I'm gonna have to turn the water off, take that apart, test it, and see.
Okay. We're
what's
winning
not
right now.
working.
There's 2 of us and there's 3 toilets now, so that's like we're pretty good. Like it's not.
I'm sure he wants it done.
Yeah.
Like
it's still
fixed,
nice to get
so-
it done. Yeah, for sure.
He knows what this issue is. Have you ever tried calling him?
Oh, I spoke to him yesterday.
But if you call him right now, he'll answer? Or
Probably.
if I would? Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. I'll try calling. I'll explain what's going on here. But I'll fix that one upstairs first.
Okay, sweet.
All right.
Yeah, thank you, man.
All right, guys. We have we got to check that toilet upstairs. It's not doing what it should. So I'm going to turn this on. Let everything flow down. And we should be good to take that apart. That was funny. You're winning. We only need 2 washers.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. You know, we got 2 people, we got 3 washers.
That's why we're renting such a big ass house, because then, you know, if something goes wrong, we got extra.
Yeah,
Right?
and then you don't freaking annoy the crap out of each other.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get Shaun to go solo on this, guys.
You gotta walk into the soda.
Make sure the valve's off.
So righty tighty.
Righty tighty.
Righty tighty all the way.
So you're gonna take this one off. Be ready to put this under there, because there's some water in the tank. You gotta turn it towards the sink. It's upside down. And reach in here and hold the valve at the same time because it's turning. Just hold the red top of it. Unless you got it free. Nothing? Okay, good. Now, to check this shut off, just pull the pull this away, put this into there, and turn the valve on. Oh, I turned the water off to the house. Some bitch. I gotta turn it back on to. I'm gonna turn the water back on for a sec. And that's how we're gonna test it. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, so we're gonna test this valve. So turn the water on.
It's gonna splash.
Just turn it on a little bit, not to bang it out. Keep going. Okay, turn it off. Alright, so we know that valve was working. What we're gonna have to do is, it's the fill valve. The fill valve's clogged. So take off this toilet line. From the shut off, unscrew it. And then put the bucket under there. And you're gonna take this one off now, the other nut, and then catch the water. Unless you want to get a vacuum and suck it out. What do you want to do, Shaun?
We'll do this way.
You want to do it this way?
Don't paint it those.
Grab some toilet paper and clean that up.
Where's the toilet paper at?
Behind you?
Oh.
Oh. Okay, I'm going to grab a rag regardless, but I'm going to make sure that I have a valve in the truck. I should. Before I do that. If you want to do this,
Just pull it up.
just kind of hold it here like that. It's hard to get you guys in there to look at this at the same time.
Do you just like wiggle out?
Alright, just hold it there. It's coming.
Got it.
Push down.
Push it down.
Alright, now pull up. And just hold it there until it stops leaking. I'll check for a valve. There's a rubber in here. We need this.
You want to take that to your truck?
Alright, we'll be right back. I'm just going to go grab a valve. Alright guys, got the new fill valve here. There's the old one. The way I do it, just to kind of get a, so it gets close. Hold that. Just put it next to it. That's where it was sitting. So it can come up a little bit. It's pretty close. Lock back down your nut. Bada bing, bada boom. And this hardware here, garbage. You don't need this. There's already one in there. This is the bottom. Pop this out. I will use this on this guy. New washer. I was going to replace this, but I'm not going to because it looks fine. This washer goes on here. Get it right up there. Like that. Then you just put her in the hole. Hold it right about there. And get your nut. Is it touching the back wall?
Nope.
I'm going to tighten this one up a bit. Where are you? There you are. This one's hard to get to, boys. Yeah, it's tight. Okay, so we're just going to put this back on. Want to do this first, Shaun?
Yep. Switch it. My turn.
Is that the old hose?
Yeah, it didn't come with the old.
It's the new hose, yeah. It forms to the nipple, so.
Is that
Not
good?
all the way, no. Up. You want it to be right about, just like that.
Oh.
Clean this up. All right. I did check the other gasket in the water line too, and it was fine. That's why I'm reusing it. All right, put the top on. Other way. Righty tighty, Shawnee boy. Look at that.
Water still on?
Should be. You just open up the water, and if it does, it will check for leaks. leaks, we'll just tighten them up. Keep going. All the way, then back a little. There you go. One other thing, Shaun, just the packing nut. See how there's a nut in front of that handle? And I'll look at that and see if that's leaking. It isn't. If it was, you just tighten that up a bit. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
This thing? Just tighten up. Just, yeah, clean up all that water there. It's not leaking. I'm just telling you that's what you do.
I just felt something.
Alright.
That's it.
Now we hear something going on in here.
There's more water. Holy moly.
There you go. I do believe it stopped at the fill line. I'll check again. Check the leaks one more time before we go. So that other issue, I'm gonna tell the owner about it and see if he wants me to. It's literally coming back and shooting more foam into there, so I don't know if he's gonna want me to do that or he's gonna get his guy, the guy that lives here, to do it. You don't see any leaks? All looks good. Way to go, Shaun. You did a good job.
Look at me go. Let's get it. Oh my. Holy.
Alright guys, I'm just going to get out of here, clean up, and tell the tenant what we did.
That's it, broke it.
And then we'll see if the landlord wants me to fill that pipe. I don't have any spray foam on me because of the type of year, but I can just go grab some. I have some at home. Alright guys, I'll catch you in a few. Get it! Don't you worry, Shaun. Your day's not over.
I'm worried now.
Hey guys, alright, so we're just backing up here. The landlord's going to have the tenant spray foam in there and call it done. So that's the kind of owner he is, I guess. Here's something I got. This is the auto feed for my K400. I want to put that on. I'm going to go park the trailer with Shaun. We're going to put this on, and there's no power there, but that'll be neat. That'll be good to have on there. Don't have to push it anymore. Came with that and this. Looks pretty easy. It's just one of those things, you know. Right, Shaun? Wow.
So what you said?
Yeah. All right. So we'll see you guys at the unit there where I parked the trailer. Get it. All right, guys. We're just at the where I parked my trailer anyway. So I have this auto feed. Sorry for the wind if it's windy. I have this auto feed attachment. We're gonna throw this bad boy on. It says it's pretty easy to do. I don't have to pull it anymore. Oops. This looks like it goes. Oops. Dropping everything. I think what it says to do
the name of this? K4000.
400.
Yeah, so it goes.
Shaun's reading the instructions. You guys know I don't like reading instructions, so. Like that, like that. This goes on there.
Okay.
And this goes like that.
Yeah, I mean,
Shaun's also cold, that's why he's rushing.
which also, yeah. Those.
Let's get these into there like that. There, now put them in.
That's that. That goes.
That's just showing if this is off, I think.
I'm trying to think. These
Yeah.
go first?
Yeah, they just go in here. This way.
No, it's just the other way.
You took them off this way.
I know, but it says for these to come in this way.
Does it?
Oh, look.
Is it going to screw into this? Oh. Yeah, I guess it does. Shaun, you're right. Shaun's cold. Look at him.
Well, it says it needs a washer. I don't know how where it needs a washer.
The washer goes on. What's all this about?
Lock collar washer? That's
Well, that's the old stuff.
Well, you know what it says this goes first.
Oh. Blind leading the blind here, boys. There. Gotta pull this out. There. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Shaun.
Yes, sir. Look at us go.
Now these are just extra.
Yeah, that's what came off.
Where's the bag? I'll put them in the bag. So that's nice. So when this gets tightened down, I'll show you. Just this thing goes forward and reverse. That's all there is to it.
Oh, this screw's loose, eh?
Which one? Is it loose?
I don't know if it's loose, but backed off.
Back off.
Keep your eye on it.
Is it tight?
Well, we'll try it.
That's it. Forwards, backwards. We're gonna have to yeah, you can tighten that one up. Oh, you want me to do it?
Doesn't matter. Pump up the jam, pump it up, keep it moving, keep it strong. Take those out, put that plate, put that plate, put that plate. Put those through.
I'm gonna call that tight. All right. See it?
I don't know what that is. It looks like that, so this can't go back anymore. They just caps out this. But they're really in the foil back. I don't know.
I think this is fine.
Test it out.
We can't, there's no power.
I know.
So next time I have this at the house, I'll try this out. Show you guys what it's like. If I did that right, let me know. If I did it wrong, I guess I'll find out. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Oh, sorry.
Get it. Us signing out. See you on the next one. Get it.